They're doing that weird stuff. See how they're standing there flapping their wings?
Alright, we'll get one more.
Jasper, no. So this should be the last insert we're going to fill up. So he's double checking to make sure we didn't lose the queen bee. Bees are funny creatures. So is that dog right there. He's a funny creature. Alright, so this is going to be the last insert. We're going to go ahead and get it over there to the hive and get it closed up and make them comfortable for the evening.
I'll leave those out because they don't need that many yet. And I'm just going to close them for today. And tomorrow, we'll see what else we can do. Hi! We got 8 hives total. Last year we started with 4. We lost 1 over winter and then gained 5 this spring. Yeah, springtime?
Yeah.
We gained 5 of them. So now we're up to 8, but we're running out of boxes. So what I did here, I put a piece of newspaper. Yeah. I put a piece of newspaper between them. I put this hive up here. I just close it for tonight, and tomorrow I'm gonna get a bottom and all that stuff and then set it all up. We're actually making a whole nother platform so we can
Extend them out.
And fit a lot more on there. I didn't think they'd get this many. I mean, I want more. I want like 15 to 20. Just didn't think I'd get them that fast. I didn't realize they swarmed that often. So, but yeah, each one of them is really good on the bottoms so far. That's a new one, that's a new one, that's a new one, and this one's a new one, I think.
Yeah.
Something around there.
Because we had 4.
I know these 3 were from last year, and
Yeah.
I think this one was the one that we lost last year.
Yes. So yeah, we've gained 5 this year, which is really awesome.
Yeah, we're learning. You're right, try to get them better. Still can't get them to come up though. I don't know if they're just swarming before they come up or what. I don't get it. Because they're not coming up. I mean, on this one, nothing came up. And that thing's been full for a while now.
But it's still early in the year.
I guess. I mean, I don't know. I'm going to call some tech support tomorrow maybe. Our neighbor, he's going to come here and look at them and see what we got.
He's one of them that we started some of our nooks from.